Did you ever think to yourself, I need a version of my weather girl that looks like a stoned, tired hag? Well, have I got the model for you. All right, there is a tropical storm Mario out in the Pacific. It's not predicted to make any landfall. There's no coastal advisories in effect, so we're going to skip it. The East Coast has one disturbance they're tracking with a 90% chance of cyclone formation in the next 7 days, so we will continue to keep an eye on that for you as well. Let's get into the bulk of the forecast. Slow-moving coastal low is bringing heavy rain potential along the mid-Atlantic coast. You can see that above my head now, hitting the Carolinas especially, and the nation's capital, with parts north and east affected as well. Heavy rains are possible across the central to northern plains. Tuesday and Wednesday we'll continue to see how that's forming. And yes, some of that tropical moisture from Mario is going to begin to push into Southern California, although nothing yet. And again, no advisories for that, no hazard levels. And then just generally below average temperatures are likely wherever the wet weather is occurring for the next few days. Otherwise, above average temperatures is expected across much of the continental United States. Let's take a look at today's highs. West Coast, we've got lots of 80s and 90s, especially along the coastline, with slightly cooler conditions in the low 80s for the interior of the Pacific Northwest. Mountain states, we've got 99 down in Arizona, not too bad for you guys. The rest of the mountain states seeing cool off wherever there is rain, and then if there's not rain, it's in the 70s or 80s. Plainsy Poos, similar story. We've got lots of 70s, lots of 80s and 90s, and especially 90s down as you get into the more southern areas. Midwest is following that pattern with lots of 80s and 90s, particularly warm wherever you go. And then on the East Coast, we're seeing very moderate and mild temperatures for the Northeast, and then it's much cooler where the precipitation is coming down there for the Carolinas. You're getting into the 60s. And then it's still hot as balls down in the Peanuts, where they get sweaty. McMurdo Station on the Ross Sea in Antarctica is sitting at 1 degree Fahrenheit with winds coming in from the east at 6 miles per hour, giving you a real feel of -5 degrees Fahrenheit. Alaska still seeing periods of heavy rain and gale force winds expected from Kenai to southeast Alaska. High temperatures in Alaska today, 39 for the Arctic Circle. Lots of mid to high 40s and low 50s for the rest of the interior and a lot of the coastlines. 56 to 52 for the Aleutians, 57 to 59 near Anchorage, and 51 for the Panhandle. Hawaii's got some small craft advisories in effect, especially for the southern and eastern sides of the Big Island and Maui. Locally, breezy trades are going to deliver limited clouds and showers to the Windward and Mauka areas through Thursday, with increased showers particularly during the overnight hours expected, and for the weekend as well. We'll keep an eye on that. High temperatures today in Hawaii in the low to high 80s for most areas. I'm Ayla Mooney, Stoned Mom Edition, signing out to go back to sleep. You can tell I'm a mom because of my shorts and my gun. All right, bye.